Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week.
Loaded potato soup. Yeah, you heard me. Not loaded baked potato, but we have it in soup form. And I did mine a little differently. Mine has turkey bacon as opposed to pork bacon, but still the flavors are there. The sour cream is here as well, and our cheese, and I use pepper jack and mild cheddar. Come make some with me.
Here's our vitamin content. We're gonna roast our garlic. So all I do is cut the top of the bowl. Just place it in foil. You're gonna put a little olive oil on it. Just drizzle it. A little salt and black pepper. So here's a little salt that I have on it. And a little black pepper. You can choose not to do that. It's up to you. Just wrap it in your foil. Then you put it in your oven. I do it on 400 for about 20-25 minutes. And here are a list of ingredients. Rough chopping my onions here. So I'm gonna put it in my chopper. Put it in my chopper to mince it down. I'm not a fan of frying onions, but I love onions. So should be good enough. Yeah, nice and minced. I'm actually gonna put my garlic in here. I have 5 cloves. I love garlic. You could use actually 3 cloves, it'll be fine. I think it should be good. And it's all minced up. So I'm just gonna add that to my pot here. The garlic from here as well. So we have our celery here in our bowl. So we are grating our cheese. I decided to use pepper jack as well as cheddar for our loaded potato soup. So let's start with the pepper jack. My cheese is a bit soft, so I am shredding the cheddar. This is the cheddar and the pepper jack that I combined here for our soup. And remember, it's always good to shred your cheese as opposed to buying it pre-shredded because of the anti-caking agent that they put on the cheese that's already shredded, which is not good for you. Here's my extra cheese that I shredded. So here is my Kerrygold butter that has, see that? Has some bell peppers and some garden herb. And I have my onions in here with my garlic. And I'm just going to let that saute and become translucent. I have some twin potatoes here. I want to start to add a little bit of some of my seasoning in here. A big thing of chicken bouillon. Love it, use it quite often. Tablespoon chicken bouillon, maybe a tablespoon and a half. Chicken bouillon. Gotta add a little Tony's. Just add a little bit of Tony. And adding some seasoning of that buttery herb. I'm also gonna add garlic powder, even though we have garlic in here. Gotta have some garlic powder, honey. Onion powder as well. Crushed red peppers. A little bit of flour. To thicken up my soup. It's just 2 tablespoons of flour. And we're gonna let that cook up. We're cutting our potato. I've already cut some for our potatoes. Now you can make them smaller than that because the smaller you make them, the quicker they will cook. So I'm gonna try to do some a little bit smaller. So now that we've cut up all our potatoes, we're now cutting, this is turkey bacon. I do have someone in my crew who doesn't eat pork, so our loaded potato soup is going to be done just a little bit differently. And so you can use any bacon of your liking, beef bacon, turkey bacon. Here's my turkey bacon here. Allow that to cook up. So I just took a little bit of the turkey bacon grease and just added it here. A little bit of broth here to this. I'm going to add my roasted garlic here. So I'm just going to add some milk, some whole milk. Here are my potatoes. Making a little bit of a splash. And allow it to simmer before we add all of our other goodness.
Salt. And a little bit of black pepper. Here we are with our wonderful taste tester, Mr. Gio.
Has a lot of flavors. You can really taste all the elements of the baked potato, the sour cream with the cheese and the bacon and the soup, like the actual liquid itself is like a nice little like saltiness that adds to it. So overall it's just pretty good.
So let me see. I think it has a nicer taste, I guess, than usual because of the mix of the pepper jack cheese and the mild cheddar together, and the nice Boysen cheese that we added. This is a wonderful quick dish. If you have all your ingredients, you can get this done in 30 minutes. So definitely come back and watch our next video with Gio and I, and we will see you in our next video. And enjoy the soup with us. Make it yourself. Comment below and let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you so much. God bless you and love you. And be good to yourself. Remember that. Subscribe for more delicious recipes and vitamin details. Also, your support will continue to allow my channel to grow.